Okay. So, I mean, we are the Laundromat Resource Podcast. So let me just throw this out there. What resources should people be tapping into, to either get into the business or to help grow their business? What's the best resource you found?
Right. So my best resource by far was the fact that I met with this, mentor. And to me, it's been a way to open the door to this kind of business. So it's been key for me to decide to go into this business. But, with time, I discovered that there's some very, very interesting resources, like, the Facebook group that you talked about. You see all the issues and the success stories that are happening out there. And, it's a good way to learn. I would not hesitate to contact maybe laundromat owners, maybe in other towns, so that you're not, going to be a competitor to them, and talk to them. People are very eager to open to others when they talk about something they like. So I would not hesitate to, call randomly maybe and say, okay, you know what? I'm planning to buy a laundromat. It's not going to be in your neighborhood. And I'd like to talk about, this. Would you have time to take a coffee or, things like this? Otherwise, podcasts and I started to make up the time and listening to the podcast you made, and I found it very, very interesting, very insightful. I believe there is, some association like the CLA that can, bring a lot of stuff on the table. I would attend at least one clean show. I think it's very interesting to see, all the companies that are into this business, because you're going to have to deal with them, at one part of a time. So I would do that. But again, I think the best way to be, to keep yourself up to date is to have like a good relationship with another owner, or even, those guys from HamperApp. They've been tremendous. They gave me some tremendous advices because they own laundromats, because they have like a lot of partners throughout the country. So they know what the issues are. And so to me, that was a real support when I have issues or when I have, things I want to discuss about. I remember I had a very good discussion with Alessandro about Google Ads, which I didn't know anything about. And I started to advertise through Google Ad, and that's been, very successful so far. So talking with people, keep a good network. That's to me the best advice. And then you have multiple resources like your podcast, like Facebook, like the association. That's, in a nutshell, that's what I would recommend.